Natural Wisdom presents Reverse Your Gray Hair Better Than Blackstrap Molasses. Do you have fine lines on your face? Are you developing crow's feet around your eyes? Do you have varicose veins? Are hemorrhoids troubling you? Stretch marks, do you have them? Do you have sagging skin? Do you think that getting older means losing skin tone? Copper is a trace mineral that is needed for proper elastic fiber maintenance. Elastic fibers are important for almost all tissues, organs, and joints, as well as functional concerns like blood vessel integrity. If you are deficient in copper, elastic fibers are not properly maintained, resulting in sagging skin, stretch marks, and crow's feet, to the more serious varicose veins and hemorrhoids. Copper is also a cofactor to the enzymes needed to produce the skin and hair pigments. Gray, white, and silver hair is a symptom of copper deficiency. It has been reported that excessive milk drinking in animals can induce copper deficiency. Copper is required for hemoglobin production in red blood cells, production and function of white blood cells, the absorption, transport, and use of iron, energy metabolism, the development, growth, and maintenance of bone and connective tissue, the formation and maintenance of myelin sheath. This is the outer surface of nerve fibers. Adrenal hormone production, thyroid hormone production, muscle tone, immunity, reproduction, tissue repair, pigmentation of hair and skin, and proper growth and development of infants and children. So if you suffer from any of these conditions, you may consider checking your copper levels. We suggest one natural way to get back on track, which has helped us too. And this is wheatgrass juice. This is probably the most powerful plant in terms of nutrition known to man. Wheatgrass is an excellent source of many different vitamins and minerals. It is especially high in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as iron, magnesium, calcium, and amino acids. Of its 17 amino acids, 8 are considered essential, meaning your body cannot produce them and you must obtain them from food sources. Just 4 grams of wheatgrass will give you 85% of your daily required copper, which can help reverse your gray hair and other health conditions naturally. You just need a small shot of wheatgrass juice daily. You can easily grow your own wheatgrass at home, or you can get it in powder. Make sure you get organic wheatgrass or barley juice powder, so you avoid the hard fibers which we cannot digest. In the description of the video below, we will also give you some links to our favorite wheatgrass juice powders. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to help us spread the message of natural wisdom. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.